Today we're diving into Writesonic, an AI writing tool that claims to help you create content quickly and easily. But does it actually deliver on that promise? Let's find out if this tool is really worth your time and money. Writesonic is designed to assist users in generating various types of written content, from blog posts and articles to social media updates and product descriptions. Upon first glance, the interface is user-friendly and straightforward, making it accessible for beginners. You simply input a few prompts and the AI gets to work. One of the standout features is the variety of templates available which cater to different writing needs. Whether you're crafting an ad copy or brainstorming ideas for a long-form article, there's a template that can help streamline the process. However, while it's designed to be intuitive, some users might find the AI suggestions a bit generic or lacking in depth, especially for more nuanced topics. Another area that feels a bit unclear is the extent of customization. While you can tweak the output to some degree, it's not always guaranteed that the results will meet your specific needs. Overall, it's a solid tool for those needing quick content, but it may not satisfy users looking for highly tailored writing. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, Writesonic is quick and can produce a decent amount of content in a short time. This is great for marketers or bloggers who need to churn out articles rapidly. The variety of templates is also a big plus, catering to different writing styles and purposes. However, there are some frustrations. The quality of the content can be hit or miss, particularly with complex topics, leaving some users feeling it lacks depth. Additionally, there's limited control over the final output, which might not suit everyone's needs. Pricing might also be a concern. While there are free options, the more useful features come at a cost. If you're a seasoned writer or need very specific content, you might find yourself wanting more from this tool. In conclusion, Writesonic is a handy tool for anyone looking for quick, general content creation. It's particularly useful for beginners or those needing to generate ideas fast. However, if you're after highly customized in-depth writing, you may want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but manage your expectations.